Are you the kind of person that thinks that knowing how to repair things or solve problems is a bare necessity? I created this channel to pass on to others the knowledge of my all-repair ventures with machinery, three-phase power, hydraulic pneumatic systems, and circuitry, industrial repairs, commercial, and residential. So if you have considered the immense potential that lies untapped in the repair business sector, or just looking to fix your appliance at home, you have come to the right place. The place where giving life back to an appliance or machine is a satisfying endeavor. I've journeyed through this world of repairs and am sharing it with you. But I also need your help to share it with others. With the right knowledge and training, the opportunities are boundless. So I need your help to take it to the right people, to those who wish to have a trade that pays well to earn more than a decent living. There are also those who wish to put money aside for a rainy day and not pay for services. I need to get to the hardworking individuals who need me, those that do not have time to be watching videos just for laughs. It's about commercial, industrial, and residential repairs, and the myriad opportunities they present. Opportunities that have the power to change lives. But in order for that to happen, I have to reach the right people. Everything I've done has been a challenge, but on all those obstacles, I saw opportunities for growth, for learning, and for mastery. The things I loved the most from my job was all the friends I made. The people I helped, they weren't just my clients, they were part of my life. People from different social status, as humble as the little guy, giving me their working appliances to get new ones. Appliances that, in turn, I gave to someone else who needed them. In time, you will meet all my friends and how we connected to one another, as you lose some to cancer and others to illness as well as age. It is then that you realize how short life is and how important it is to help each other. So ignite your passion, arm yourself with knowledge, and dive into the world of repair business, where you can help yourself with knowledge or help someone who needs it. With a variety of options you will learn here starting now on Life's Bare Necessities.